Okay, so if you remember, like we also use the Shebang line to install, sorry, clone our repository. So what I have to do, I just access to my backend. Now I'll go to the root folder and I'm going to change the ownership for my tutor application. Okay, so let's do that. Go to my root folder. If I use ls/la, then see the tutor application is in it and it's the root folder. So for that, what I can do, sudo chown, then the owner will be Ubuntu, the group will be Ubuntu and the tutor application. So if I do this, it only going to change the tutor application, but the file and the folder that are inside this folder, the ownership won't be changed. So for that, what I have to do, I just have to specify dash r. So it will change all the files and folder that are under the tutor application. Hit enter. If I use ls/la, see Ubuntu. Now go to the tutor, use LSL. See, it's also Ubuntu.